Bless you.
Bless you.
Not sure if you could get any cuter.
You should be able to see. You know, it'd be interesting maybe. You could see his face mirrorless.
Hmm?
If you put him on Mirror's chest, and you could see it.
I'll see the video.
He had a little smile there.
Yeah. Are you smiling? Are you the cutest little thing ever? Hmm?
No, he's getting sleepy.
I think we're clear. Say cut.